I'm Megan. So welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm double stoked about today's video. This video is also in collaboration with some of the coolest chicks here on YouTube and some of my favorite DIY channels to watch. We have Kraftsbykatelyn, who she's awesome. She used to sell her crafts, so none of her stuff looks like janky. It all looks like store-bought to me. We also have Measure Mix. I absolutely love her. Jessica is my girl. She's also new to Instagram like me. She accidentally sent a message to the wrong person privately. I feel you, girl. I feel you. I feel like I would do the same thing. We also have a little bit of Calm and Crazy. I'm actually newer to her channel. I'm really sad I didn't find it sooner. And last but not least is my best friend here on YouTube, which is Kristin Kay. I love her to death. Don't know what I would do without her here on YouTube. Never met her in real life though, so I don't know. Am I crazy? I asked if she watched the movie Single White Female. Kristin Kay. I love her. She does hauls, she does cleaning videos, she does reviews, she does DIY, so totally check her out. But one more thing, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I always forget to ask that. And if you don't like it, there's also a dislike button, so it's a free country. Use that button too. For this DIY, I'm using one of these little glass candle holders from the Dollar Tree and some leftover foam. I traced around the glass holder and I cut that out. I just freehanded it. It doesn't have to be specific. I put the glass holder back down and then traced it out exactly. Then I'm using some of the brown floral moss, also from the Dollar Tree, and some hot glue. I'm just gonna put it all the way around the outer little circle. And I use the glass holder to kind of move the moss out of the way to make sure the glass holder can still set flush onto the cardboard. Then I went back and put some floral moss on the side of the cardboard just to hide the white part. I didn't do it underneath and I didn't do it on top, so it looks about like this. Then I'm taking some of these little eggs, the smaller size from the Dollar Tree, and one of these floral picks from the Dollar Tree. I was totally stoked when I found this. My Dollar Tree has not carried them until recently. I didn't want to cut this apart, so I just pulled a few pieces off. I didn't even use the whole pick. And then just taking some hot glue, I put it all the way around the candle holder, and I added 3 eggs. I went back and forth if I should add 4 eggs or 3 eggs. I decided on 3 eggs, and I'm really liking the way this looks. And then I make sure my little glass candle holder still fits, and it does. This was my inspiration. This one was from Walmart, and it was about $20. I think this is super cute. I love the way it looked, although I wanted to elevate mine, so I'm taking this candle holder, spray painting it white. The spray paint's only like 97 cents at Walmart. I let that dry for a little bit, and then I just use a little bit of hot glue to hot glue my foam to my candle holder. I like this because all this stuff can be reused. I could also see this being used as wedding decor by just removing the eggs. I think this is super cute. I love the way it looks, very simple. And like I said, I can tear this apart after spring and reuse it, or just take the eggs off and still use this throughout summer. Here's what it looks like lit. I love it. I think it's so simple, super cute. I'm done saying super cute. Thank you for watching.